Hello, my name is Jeremy Sisemore. I'm the president and founder of ASAP Talent Services. We are one of the nation's leading SAP-focused search firms, and we're based out of Houston, Texas. Thank you for joining my video blog, and today I want to talk to you guys about a lot of the acquisitions that have been occurring in the last 1 to 2 years by SAP and how that's impacting their offerings, their product suite. With that being said, I'm going to start right off, and I'm going to go backwards from some of the most recent, and then we'll go backwards to some of the ones that might have occurred about a year to 18 months ago. But very recently, in November of 2018, SAP made 2 major acquisitions. One of them is QUALTRICS. QUALTRICS allows organizations to really kind of hone in on 4 key areas of data, and that's customer data, product data, employee data, and brand data. And a lot of folks might have heard the term the customer experience. QUALTRICS allows SAP to really buy a software product that focuses in on capturing data and interpreting that data for major corporations around the area of customer experience, the product experience, employee experience, and then also brand experience. So it's a kind of a neat little area for SAP to get into. When they make these acquisitions, they're oftentimes buying products that do something different than their core solutions do, or that helps them to acquire a competitor that might be doing it in a way different or better than they have. In November of 2018, they also acquired CONTEXTOR. And this is a European software company that kind of gets SAP into the AI space and what they call robotic process automation, or RPA. And so if you've ever heard or interacted with a bot on a website where you kind of think you're dealing with a person and you're texting back and forth, but it seems very smart and intuitive, well, now companies are using AI where it's really not an actual person on the other line at all, and it can literally have a conversation with you. And so that's what robotic process automation and AI is all about. Salesforce is obviously in that space with their Einstein product, and that's what CONTEXTOR does. That was an $8 billion acquisition by SAP in November of 2018. Now, if we go to June and into the summertime of 2018, we're going backwards, SAP acquired CORESYSTEMS. And this is a technology company that's involved in the mobile and cloud-based field service management space. And so if you kind of think about real-time customer service, when a employee of the company is in the field with the customer, that's what this does, and it allows them to use the app right off of their mobile phone or a tablet or whatever. But that's CORESYSTEMS. And that company was based out of Switzerland. Now, a big acquisition that SAP made that kind of made a pretty big splash in 2018 was CALLIDUSCLOUD. CALLIDUSCLOUD is a product that I guess I would say is in the CPQ space. That's configure, price, quote. And it really helps organizations to manage their sales and marketing automation, their sales process from the very beginning when they're dealing with a customer and doing the bidding and the pricing and the quoting, all the way through to invoicing and pricing. And so again, this allowed SAP to acquire something that really got them into kind of competing with Salesforce in a couple of areas where maybe they were not winning in the market as much as they wanted to, and to give them some different offerings to clients in the market. Then GIGYA, G-I-G-Y-A, GIGYA. That is an identity management company that SAP acquired. And so if you think about when a customer logs into a website, potentially when they register set up their profile, and then they can log in the future. And now companies are going to where you can do social media login, but you have to be able to authenticate who that customer is. And oftentimes they're doing that through their Facebook login now. GIGYA allows SAP to get into that marketplace, and it all also revolves around security and knowing who your customer is, authenticating your customer. And they've rebranded that solution now, and that's tying into what SAP is calling SAP Customer Data Cloud. Okay, and again, that was the GIGYA acquisition. And I just want to finish up by saying other major acquisitions SAP's had in the last several years. Some of these you guys might already recognize, but they also acquired Hybris, which is an e-commerce solution, and that's tying into CALLIDUSCLOUD and this SAP customer experience offering that SAP is bringing to market now. They also acquired Ariba, which is a major purchasing and supplier relationship management software company, and so SAP had acquired Ariba a couple years back. SuccessFactors is in the HCM and human capital management solution offering. So SAP, the footprint is changing. They're in a war, I think, with Oracle and Salesforce. There's a lot of acquisitions by these major big companies and some consolidation in the market, and we're seeing how that's changing what the SAP portfolio of services really is. Again, this is Jeremy Sisemore with ASAP Talent Services. This is a longer video than normal, but I really wanted to show you guys how the SAP platform is changing rapidly and making sure that you stay up with the Joneses in the market. Thanks again for joining us, and look forward to meeting with you again in the near future.